Ever feel like you're stuck on financial autopilot? You work hard, your paycheck hits your account, the bills get paid, and repeat. Maybe you've been thinking about taking control of your finances, about investing and growing your money for the future. But where to even begin? Enter online brokers like Questrade. They offer a platform for you to buy and sell investments like stocks, ETFs, and more. But before you dive headfirst into the world of investing, there's one crucial question: how long does it take to open a Questrade account and get started? Because let's be honest, nobody wants to wait around forever with their money just sitting there. In this video, we'll break down exactly how long it takes to open a Questrade account, step by step. We'll also explore some factors that might influence the time frame, so you can set realistic expectations and be ready to hit the ground running with your investment journey. So, grab a notebook if you like taking notes, and let's get you one step closer to financial independence. The big and fast answer. Alright, straight to the point, opening a Questrade account itself is a breeze. It's a fully online process, and according to Questrade, it can be completed in as little as 1 day for Canadians. That's right, 1 day. Sounds too good to be true? Well, there's a catch, but it's not a big one. The not-so-big catch: verification. To ensure everything is secure and above board, Questrade needs to verify your identity and residency. This usually involves uploading some documents like your driver's license or passport and proof of address like a utility bill. Now, how long this verification takes depends on a couple of things. If everything goes smoothly and your documents are clear, verification might only take a few hours. But sometimes, there might be a need for additional information or clarification, which could add a day or two to the process. International applicants. For our friends outside of Canada, the process might take a bit longer. Since additional verification steps might be involved, opening an account could take up to 2 weeks. Funding your account. Once your account is open and verified, you'll need to fund it before you can start buying investments. Luckily, Questrade offers various ways to do this, including bank transfers, electronic funds transfers, EFTs, and even bill payments. The processing time for each method varies, but generally, it shouldn't take more than a few business days for the funds to reflect in your account. Here's the takeaway. In an ideal scenario, you could be up and running with a funded Questrade account, and a Canadian resident could be ready to go in as little as 3 to 4 business days. That's a pretty quick turnaround to take control of your financial future. Keeping it speedy. Of course, there are ways to expedite the process on your end. Here are some tips. Have all your documents scanned and ready to upload electronically. Double-check all the information you enter during the application process to avoid any delays due to errors. If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to contact Questrade's customer support. They're there to help. Opening a Questrade account is a fast and straightforward process. By being prepared and understanding the verification steps, you can be well on your way to reaching your investment goals. Remember, investing involves risk, so be sure to do your own research before making any decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.